Welcome in the series of learning Python. In this video we will solve a problem on palindrome number, such that the problem is that we have a string, we have to convert that string into a palindrome number such that the lexicographic order comes first. Means we have to arrange that by ASCII value. Means we have to arrange that in such a way that the alphabet which comes first have to be first and the alphabet which comes last have to be last. So here our string is AABCC and here is ACBCA. So we have to arrange that string in such a way that it comes into palindrome number. If that string cannot arrange in such a way, then we have to print -1. If that string will arrange in the way of palindrome number, then we have to print that palindrome number. So here we have a code. The code is like that. Firstly we are creating a dictionary here. So we are creating an empty dictionary here, and we are creating a variable and assigning that variable to 0. Then we are creating the letters. Why we are creating these letters, a to small z? Because here you can see that it is given that all the letters are in small letters. It's the only line of input contains string, all letters string will lowercase. So that's why we are creating letters like that, all letters in a small letter. Next we are taking an input as a string. The x is equal to input. Next for I in x, dic I is equal to dic dot set default I0 plus 1. It means the set default is the function which return the default value if the value of the key is not present. So the key is I. There's not a single value present for a key, so it assigns the value to 0, and dic I is the key value, so the key value will be 0 plus 1. So here plus 1. Then we are creating an empty string here, and here the code is string I plus is equal to dic dot set default m0 divided by 2 into m. It means it gives the value to the key and the default value to the key. It means the letters means it will iterate in all the letters A to Z. If our string is A B C D, then it will assign that previous value to A B C D, and it will give the default value to all the letters 0, and it divides by 2. If the value of the key is 2, the value of the key is 2, or the value comes larger than 2 or the multiple of 2, then it is even number. If it is not multiple of 2, then it is odd number. So if it is found the multiple of 2, or if it is even, then the value goes to string. If it is odd, then the value is transferred to the value, m is transferred to the value, and the value goes to this. At last, if control is greater than 1, means it has more string, this has more letters on the string which has odd value, then we have to print -1, that we can't print palindrome for that. If control is equal to 0, then it print a string plus a string. This letter means it will print a string in previous order, like that. I am showing you. If our string is usual, and if I'm printing like the string is equal to string plus string, then it will print string, and usual is in previous order, like that. I'm running this code. So it's printing like that, usual, and LAW means in previous order. So it's working like that. Then after that it will transfer all the value, and at last it will print the palindrome number of the string. So copy that code and understand that code. If you are not understanding that code, then please let me know in comment section. And if you like this video, then please subscribe the channel and like that video and share that video. Okay, thank you.